Guys, today I'm gonna do a rear main seal on this Jeep. This one's my personal Jeep. I'll get better views of it, better video. Yeah, like I said, I'm sorry I'm not. Hopefully I get better at this whole camera thing, because I'm not that good at it, and I know it. I'm open for advice and all that stuff. If you guys see something that I could do better, let me know. I have no problems taking advice. But for now, we're gonna get working on this thing. I wish I could figure out how to make this camera switch without stopping a video, but I don't see the switch thing. So I'll pick up here in a second. You may not see my face as much, or I'll figure out the whole camera turn thing. Yeah, I look like hell. I feel kind of shitty. So let's get this thing going. This is my 96, my 90 Jeep Cherokee. I'm gonna be putting a 97 front clip on it. I'm just waiting for it to show up. She's been through hell. I've abused it, and abused it some more. We just got back from Utah, Kanab area, up there in Hog Canyon. I think it's Hog Creek, Hog Trail. I'm not sure. I don't remember what it's called, but it's on a rough country lift. I've got, this thing started off as bone stock, and when I started wheeling with it, it had the shittiest parts from any fucking thing I could get a hold of. It's full long arm kit. I know a lot of people don't like rough country, but I've had really good luck with it. Patagonias, they did awesome up in Utah. We had to pull a Jeep out of there. My videos from Utah are gonna suck. They're not very good because of first trail. 2 hours in, we had a Jeep blow the front pump seal out of the transmission, and I spent the rest of the day trying to drag him out. We do have a bunch of videos of trying to get him out. Not the videos I was expecting. That was the only trip we made that day, while we were up there, because other stuff, situations. So I'm still working on getting all the videos edited. So you'll have to bear with me. They will come out. So, but I'm gonna start getting all my stuff ready to start doing this main seal. Thanks. I'll be back. All right, guys. I'm trying to do the best I can with the angle and all that stuff. We're gonna start pulling this pan off. Assuming you can see me. No, my pan bolts aren't very tight, but it's got a rubber gasket. This is not the first rear main I've done on this thing. It has a crank pressure problem. Had for a while. So it blew my rear main out. Still trying to figure that one out. It's got a catch can, it's got plenty ways for pressure to be relieved from the motor, but I'm still having severe crank pressure problems. I'm not going to make you sit here and watch me do this for the next 10 minutes. Maybe not so much 10 minutes, but I'm bringing back when I'm dropping the pan. Alright? Alright guys, one bolt left. I know y'all there's gonna be the guys out there like I'm doing something wrong. I know. For one, I should probably be taking the starter off. It makes it a lot easier. I'm just kind of lazy. And yeah, I might end up taking the starter off because my exhaust looks a little more bent than it used to be. But we're about to find out. The last bolt. Okay, this is where it kind of becomes a bitch. You gotta get the pan. If you don't have a big lift or anything like that, generally you want to raise the whole Jeep up. I should have plenty of clearance with my setup to clear everything. It's not my first rodeo with this setup. Occasionally it fights, but for the most part it generally goes. So I'm recording with my phone. My phone's not an expensive phone. I have to have both hands. So y'all are just kind of chilling. You'll be able to see everything. I think. I hope you're seeing everything. But I'm gonna get this over here. Put my old fellas back in. And I can move the oil bucket here. But you can see, she's definitely at work. She's definitely abused, as you can see. She's not clean under here at all. I don't do that game. Somebody bent my fucking pan. So, all funky. I got it right myself how to do this. I do have a rubber oil pan gasket, so it's reusable. I don't play that cork. I don't do corks. You're just asking for headaches. Alright. What? Oh, that's right. My transmission guide is bent. Or not guide. My transmission dust cover is slightly bent, so it hooks the oil pan. I forgot about that. There we go. That should get it down. Should be able to get it down. Sorry about the squealing, the noise. That shit sucks, I know. There's that part. Now lines up there. Just like that. Now before we went to Utah, I did an oil change on this. It had metal shavings. Before I put this pan back on, and I'm gonna go through all my bearings, see if there's a major issue in here somewhere. I just got on multiple times. See if there's a major issue on one of these bearings. If it's even worth proceeding on doing any of this stuff. But for now, I'm gonna kind of do a once over and it's this thing. You guys don't need to really see that, but I mean you can. I may talk to myself. I have a tendency to do that. You know, this camera stuff is new to me. Sorry. So I'm just gonna let you guys play. You see what I see, ish, I think. But yeah, I may be editing this video down. Oil everywhere. So yeah, stay tuned. Just keep watching, I guess. Right on this. I'm back. Go get some more, another socket and a breaker bar to get this rear main cap off. So I'm gonna pause you guys. I'll get the rear main cap unbolted and I'll get you to where you can see that. So you had a pretty good view. Alright guys, I'm not sure you can see where I'm working. I don't know how to get you a better view. My little GoPro. No, it's not a GoPro. It's a Vivio or whatever the hell it is. I forgot at home. So I'm doing the best I can with my cheap cell phone. I will be showing you more. Maybe I can get a better view of here. Sorry, I don't mean to just throw the camera around. But this is where we're at. Oh hey, there we go. Right there on the spring. Can you see? I hope so. I'm gonna look. Let's see here. Oh, sorry. I said my camera can stay here without being a pain. Yeah, you can see my hand. Yeah, I couldn't have the camera there when I was doing that. Oh, that would suck. Ratchet was right there, so. A lot of oil still on this thing. I drained it too. She's on there. Let's see if the old 2 boulders wiggle a little bit. If only you could see the angle I'm at right now. There we go. Give me a half second, I gotta wipe my hand off. Yeah. I don't know why, it seems like there's so much oil in there. Let me see how bad it's dripping there. That's about what it does when it's running. I'm not sure if you, yeah, you can just see the bloop, 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 bloop. That's what it's dripping like when it's running. So that's why we're here doing this again. All right, so this is the main cap, rear main cap. That's the seal. Now this isn't that old, so it should come out fairly easy. Keyword, should. Just not with my fingers, apparently. Okay, now for people who haven't done this, sorry, the camera's everywhere. For people who haven't done this, you see the orange up there? Right up in there. That has to be twisted out of there, pushed out of there. It has to be pushed out of there. And I'm gonna get my camera back where it was, where you guys can. I'm hoping you can see, because I can't see that section of the screen. And then I'm gonna get that pushed out of there. I do not know why there was so much oil in there. Where is that coming from? Interesting. Alright, so I'm gonna get back to this. I'm just gonna kind of chill you guys up there. You may not hear anything for a little bit, simply because I'm trying to get shit figured out. I gotta find a thing to push that out with. How did I have you? There you are. Huh. You really can't see. Ah, I almost dropped you. What about over here? Can you see this way? Sorry guys, I'm trying to find the best view for you. Okay, you see how much is dripping there? That's what my oil remain. That's my leak, what it looks like when it's running. She gets a little temperature, so that's damn near exactly what it looks like. Which isn't good. So, I mean, I've generally only messed with single piece remains. So, I may have done something wrong when I did this install. That sucks. Yep, there went the screen on my phone. Alright guys, you're still functioning. My screen is shattered. Alright, let's get the party going. Sorry. That was a direct screen slap. Alright, I'll be back.